So Daryl, what do you think?
Happy, really happy. Worked out great, everything went well. Pretty much what they told me happened, and within 3 months started seeing it grow.
Daryl returns today 10 months post-op for a follow-up, and I'm going to show you what he looks like. So here is the picture immediately post-transplant. You can see that with the 2000 graft FUE we planted the interior 1/3 to 1/2 of the scalp, concentrating mainly on the bitemporal areas. I'm going to show you what he looks like. You can see here the left side, very high density. There's no see-through. It's actually a thick wall of hair, an extremely natural hairline. And you can see here, this is the transplanted hair, which is slightly different from his natural hair, but there's a total seamless transition between the transplanted hair, which is what this is, and his natural hair. So Daryl, what do you think?
Happy, really happy. Worked out great, everything went well. Pretty much what they told me happened, and within 3 months started seeing a growth, and then a lot of growth, and then by now it's filled in and can't be happier. Everything worked out really well.
And what have your friends thought of it?
I think it's great. I think it's very natural looking. Most people didn't even notice until I told them, so very happy with the outcome. If I had to do it all over again, I would do it. I would recommend it.
And for those thinking about a hair transplant, what advice do you have for them?
I would say do your research, and if you're ready to do it, then go ahead and do it. It worked out for me. I mean, everybody's different, but from what I see, it's a very positive outcome. And as far as the doctor is very knowledgeable, very caring, very great with the follow-up. Love the staff. Staff is very accommodating. Everybody's very nice, gentle, kind, making sure everything was fine, making sure you're comfortable. Couldn't be happier with everything that went down here. Everything went very well.